Hello, this is Cardi Cartoons, and this video is a request by Belinda's art channel. Yep, and this is how I show how I do my animations. Of course, I do my animations on Flipaclip, as judging by the watermark and stuff. I do all my animations on Flipaclip, and I have all the projects here. And if you want to, if how I create my projects, I press this plus button right here. See, you want to name your project? I'll just name it Project Tutorial. Tutorial. I'll just name it tutorial. I'm able to choose my backgrounds and stuff. And I also choose whether it goes on YouTube or Instagram. I don't think you guys can see it, but somewhere over here. I get to change my frames per second. See, change it to 15 just in case. And I'm going to create the project here. That's how you create the project. And it says this is a tutorial. I'm not gonna draw anything too detailed. I'm just probably gonna draw a box with a ball bouncing on a box and stuff. So I'm going to draw like a box right here. Of course, I'm drawing my fingers because these touchscreen pens suck. So of course I'm going to be drawing with my fingers, and I'm going to draw both the ball. Let's see, it should be okay. I missed the ball a bit. I'm going to draw the ball and the. I'm going to draw both the ball and the box. This is the erase button to erase your drawings. And here's the color tool that you can color your different objects and stuff. You choose like a wide variety of colors and stuff. I'm just gonna go with blue and red. Blue for the ball and red for the box. Of course, it's sometimes it glitches like that. That usually happens with most art programs where you don't fully draw the picture and you leave a little bit space out. It'll color the whole entire thing. So, because you have the box right here, and I need to use. I'm going to need to say copy and paste. You go to the next frame and you copy paste like that, and then, of course, I'm going to move the box out of the frame. Yep. And the box is going to come in, and the ball's going to drop in. I'm just going to drop the ball right here. I'm going to copy paste again. Yeah, but it only shows half. So I'm going to copy the first frame again. I can erase it like that with the lasso tool. Going to copy paste it right here. It's going to drop down. In each frame, the ball's going to slowly drop down and stuff. Copy paste, drop down right here. I know some copying and pasting. You guys can see it, right? I was just wondering, because sometimes I record, the recording comes out weird. And I'm going to. I can also manipulate make it be bigger, make it smaller. So this just for this video, I'm going to like do a squish effect of it bouncing off. I'm going to do that thing again. It's going to bounce off. Yeah, it's to Like, you want to move it like that. And I'm going to erase the unnecessary frames. So, see? You see the animation? I'm going to, let's see. I'm going to play the animation like that. Like that. See? It's an animation loop. And that's how I animate on Flipaclip. You see it's going really fast because I have a lot of frames. And of course, it's a dumb ad. But I'm using the free version of Flipaclip, so of course it's gonna be like ads and stuff. I wonder if this is gonna be on YouTube or something, but I'm just gonna wait. I didn't mean to click that. So you want the animation to play longer, you can always press more frames to it. Like this. And that's how you do it. Made the animation play longer. And that's how I animate on Flipaclip. Of course, it's a tutorial, so I'm not showing you anything too detailed. I think I already explained that. So that's it.